What is technology? Well, the dictionary definition says the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes, especially in industry. And that makes sense for me, someone who's 13. So, what is technology? And to be more specific, what is technology in STEAM? Science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Tech is the computer you're watching this on. It is the phone you use to text your friends, the camera used to take a photo. It is the opening to the internet, a system to make artificial light. Technology is everywhere in this modern time and age. It will only increase and expand as time goes forward. Soon, flying cars, spaceships that only existed in movies, and computer screens that pop out of a watch will exist. And maybe while you're watching this, they already do. This is the physical part of technology. The part that makes it all work, that makes it all possible, lies in the coding and computer languages. Sure, it takes different parts to assemble a computer, and sure, it needs power and a screen or mechanical structure for it to work. But in order to make it do or succeed as technology, you need coding, the orders of instructions a technological item uses to function. We use technology in many careers and jobs. For example, a webcomic artist or artist in general will use screens to draw out a piece of artwork on a computer. An animator will use a computer to do step-by-step animations or just storyboards. An employee at Target will use scanners and computers to calculate how much the customer owes, and the list goes on. The careers that interact the most with coding and computers are a computer programmer, game designer, software developer, database administrator, computer network architect, etc. These jobs help run programs, games, apps, and basic computer functions. Without them, stuff like this wouldn't be possible. In the beginning, technology was a term for arts and crafts. The Greek word was techne. Nowadays, technology is referred to as the advancements and changes around us. Every day, as we learn more about coding and tech, we get faster and faster at understanding and discovering more about it. In the past decade, the phone has evolved tremendously. In the past century, computers and transportation have evolved to the point where electric cars and AI systems have been created. Now, how does this all involve itself in STEAM? STEAM, as I've mentioned, is science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. In science, we use technology to study, record, and research. Greeks and other past organizations use technology as a way to study and learn more about the world around them. Engineering is basically the physical aspect of technology where they create the devices we use every day, building and learning new ways to evolve and transform. For art, artists like myself use computers and other tech to draw or create new pieces of art. It's easier to edit with tools and apps, engineered with technology. Math uses technology to calculate and double-check mathematical equations. It's almost never wrong, and when correctly used, it offers accurate data to make doing things easy and foolproof. The point is, technology is growing as our knowledge of it expands. Engineering and programming are paving new pathways and openings, new doors for the future. Technology was and will continue to be the gateway to the upcomings of society. Every day something new, and every day something accomplished. Hello, this has been Lana Wynn from Troop 3360 of the Girl Scouts of Northeast Texas. Thank you for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed the video, which took me 2 hours to draw, which I do not regret. Sadly, I do regret not being able to include the half where I colored in everything. I had fun doing that. Maybe I will consider making a part 2 of sorts, where you can see me color everything in. That might happen, that might not. We'll see what the future brings. So, once again, thank you for dropping by. I just wanted to add this little outro because I had, 2 minutes to spare of the video. Not sure if I can keep you interested in me talking for the next 1 minute, few seconds. Who knows? Third time. Thank you for asking. Wait, no, thanks for dropping by, and I will see you in future. In the future. Yes, that sounds right. Goodbye now before I continue embarrassing myself.